Hi, it's John with Computer Pro again, and wow, I'm doing two videos in one day. But I decided to do the second one because it kind of has a tangent, well, not a tangent, but it kind of goes with the first one as far as Windows 10 and some things that have been going on with it. Windows 10, for people who don't know it, has a lot of security issues and it has a lot of tracking issues. There was an immediate security issue with the fact that it was giving out your was sharing your Wi-Fi password through Facebook, which they've since not addressed but shown people how to fix. But by default, it was set where people could see your Wi-Fi passwords. Now there's also some issues about slipping in tracking software, which is used for obviously targeted advertising, where they can go in and send you emails based on your surfing habits. The thing is, in Windows 10, uh, they do force updates, which means you no longer have the option of accepting or not accepting updates from Microsoft Windows. You have to take them in Windows 10. You can't shut them off. So you have to be prepared for that if you upgrade. They are now, the thing is that's come out in the last week or so is the same updates are now being put into Windows 7, 8, and 8.1, which means these same tracking updates are going to be going into there, where they're going to be tracking you through those programs now too. With Windows 7, 8, and 8.1, there are ways around it to uninstall it, to not install it. One of them is even an optional update, but it is recommended. And I'm going to post two different links here in a minute. One is about how to remove those updates if you want. The other one is if you haven't taken the leap to from Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10, which I suggest you don't do based on my previous post with the issues with Lenovo, especially laptops having major issues playing well with Windows 10, especially the power management and the fact the battery won't charge once you do it, and it's definitely a software issue, not a hardware issue. I'm also going to post a link to this program called I Don't Want Windows 10, where if you haven't made that leap and you want to get and you don't want it, but you're tired of seeing that pesky little notification down in the bar saying upgrade to Windows 10 for free, this program will remove that update, which was basically just an update. It will remove that update for you, and you won't be getting that pesky notification anymore. I strongly suggest to people not to upgrade to Windows 10 if you don't have to. Well, it's not you never have to if you have 8, 8.1, or 7. You're stuck, obviously, if you go into a store and buy one, it's got Windows 10 on it already. But I'll post those links. You can download them. I have used the program. I don't want Windows 10 anymore. I can vouch for it. There's no spyware in it. It's just a straightforward little program for basic users who don't know how to go in and find the update that's causing the little notification down there. And then the other program basically is a walkthrough on how to remove the tracking software that Microsoft is now trying to install on Windows 7 and Windows 8. So that's it for now. Again, please be careful with Windows 10. It's probably needs quite a bit more time, at least 6 months to a year, before I would recommend it. I do have it on my laptop. It's working fine, but I have a Dell. It was a much simpler process. These Lenovo's are not great laptops. I don't recommend them. As I said, it's more in depth than my last post. Anyway, thanks. Have a great rest of your week.